Hi, it's Evelyn. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. I truly appreciate it. I am back with another My Natural My Choice in the Box giveaway where you, my subscriber, will tell me what you want in your box. There are a lot of subscription boxes, and sometimes you'll get a box 1 month, have the same products in it, and maybe next month it might be something different. But with My Natural My Choice in the box, you, my subscriber, choose what you want in that box. Conditioner, styling product, whatever it is that you want, I want you to tell me what you want in that box. It is a value of $30. So what you will do, the rules are, you must be a subscriber, and you know who you are. You are my subscriber. You watch my videos, you like my videos, and you're always tuning in to my videos, and I truly appreciate that. So what you will do, 1, you must be a subscriber. 2, you must, before you list all the products that you would like, you must say, I promise to make a revealing or unboxing video of the prizes that you won. And you must link my channel in that video. And that's it. And just leave me in the description box what it is that you would like. It's just that simple. Be a subscriber. I promise to do a revealing video, link my channel, and then type away of the products that you want in the description box. That's it. I want to say thank you to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving very kind comments. I truly appreciate it. And I love making videos. I am very passionate about videos. When I come on here and I make a video, it is truly from my heart. It's not something just out of a whim I come up with. I truly enjoy, and I'm very passionate about my videos, about the content that I put out, helping those that are suffering from hair loss. That is what my channel it seems to be surrounded by, because I suffered from hair loss, and I want to share what God has given me to you, and sharing that information with you. You know, hair loss is no joke. A man or a woman. You know, your hair is your crown. Your hair is your glory. And I love making videos, sharing the things that I have learned and researched to help stop your hair from falling out. So I'm rambling on, but this is just a giveaway video showing my appreciation to you, my subscriber, for always supporting my channel and coming through with the likes, and you've turned on your notification button. I know who you are because you show up on my videos right away, and I truly appreciate that, and I appreciate your comments. And even there are those that watch my videos, like my videos, but don't leave a comment. I want you to know that I appreciate your support as well. And my heart goes, you know, I just appreciate it, and I want to say thank you to all that supports my channel. I am almost at 100K. No, but my channel is growing, and I appreciate your support. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on that little bell so that you get a notification whenever Evelyn posts a video. You will be the first to watch it. And so this is it, and I'll see you in my giveaway announcement video in 2 weeks. Bye-bye.